Hello, I'm the professor with the bow tie. If you want to learn Greek, then this is your channel. Subscribe and hit the bell button to be notified every time I upload a new video. In today's video, you will learn how to pronounce the double Greek consonants. So let's get into it. The double consonants are two consonants combined that produce one sound. So let's see how we can write these consonants and also some word paradigms. The first one is the double consonant G. Double gamma. The sound is G. These are always in the middle of the word, and you can hear slightly the N sound before the sound G. Look, for example, the Greek word angelos. Always in the middle of the word, and you can hear a very slight N sound, angelos. The next one that has the same sound as this one is G. It consists of gamma and kappa. The sound is the same, G, like you say goal in English. Goal, G. The Greek word kangelo. Ka-nge. Lo. Also there is an N sound, N, kangelo, kangelo, before this G sound, kangelo. This cluster of consonants, you can find it in the middle of the words and also in the beginning of the words. For example, gise, the word gise. I forgot to say the meanings of the word. This means angel, angelos, angel. This one, banister, kangelo, and this one, counter. Unfortunately, there is no rule to choose between these two. You have to memorize the spelling. Next one is the cluster of consonants T that consist of two letters, Taf and Sigma. The sound is T. Like you say cheese in English, cheese. Look at the Greek word tsanda. It means bag. Next are the two consonants Taf, Taf and Zeta that makes the sound Z, like the word J in English. In English you say, for example, the word jet. In Greek, look at the word zami. It means glass. These two, you can find them equally in the beginning of the words and also in the middle. The next two double consonants are B and D. First one is B, that consists of M and P. M, P makes the sound B. For instance, the Greek word babas. Babas, it means dad. If you're attentive enough, you can hear a slightly M sound before B. Bambas, bambas, babas. And the last one is the D. you hear the sound D, like you say dad. Okay. Dulapa. It means closet. But sometimes you can hear the N sound before D. This sound, N-D. In the Greek word, for example, panda. Panda. It means always. You can hear it clearly. Panda. Dulapa, panda. So let's recapitulate the sounds. G, angelos. G, cangelo. C, tsanda. Z, zami. B, bambas. D, dulapa. D, panda. G, T, Z, B, D. So, if you found this video useful, hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next one.